Here's the thing about technology. In beautifully designed spaces, it's almost always a problem. You've got wireless access points, security cameras, all these essential devices that stick out like sore thumbs in spaces where every detail matters. But what if you could make all of that disappear? Imagine a world where your tech blends into the background so seamlessly that the only thing people notice is how incredible your space looks. Well, you don't have to imagine anymore, because Ubiquiti has cracked the code. Let me introduce you to the U7 in-wall access point. This thing is a game changer. On its own, it's already a sleek little device, but the real magic happens when you pair it with their paintable cover plates. These covers are coated to accept paint beautifully, so you can match them to your wall color, whether that's a soft neutral or some bold statement color. Once it's installed flush against the wall, it essentially disappears. Your Wi-Fi stays strong, but no one's eyes are drawn to an ugly white box on your wall. Now, let's talk installation. If you're handy and you've got the tools, you can definitely tackle this yourself, but precision is key. You don't want to overcut the hole in your wall. If you're not feeling confident, or if you just don't want to risk it, call in a pro. It's worth it for the end result. And hey, if you're renting or just don't want to cut into your walls, they've got a table stand option that gives you the same great performance with zero commitment. And why does this matter? Let's say you've got a luxury home. You've invested hundreds of thousands into design, custom furniture, beautiful art, Faro and ball paint at $250 a gallon. Every detail is intentional. The last thing you want is a big, ugly access point ruining that. With the U7, your Wi-Fi just works, and your design stays pristine. It's the best of both worlds, and it's not just about homes. Let's shift gears and talk about retail spaces. In a high-end boutique where handbags are priced like luxury cars, every element of the space is designed to enhance the customer experience. Enter the Unify Theta camera system. This thing is a marvel. It provides top-notch security but is so discreet you'll barely notice it. You can recess it into walls or ceilings, and even when surface-mounted, it's sleek enough to blend in. Think about it. If you're shopping in a store like that, you're not just buying a bag. You're buying into the brand's story, its luxury, its exclusivity. The space has to reflect that. Visible tech? That breaks the spell. The Theta camera keeps security tight without disrupting the vibe. But this isn't just for retail. Back to homes for a second. We're all living more connected lives. Whether you're working remotely, streaming in 4K, or running a smart home system, you need reliable Wi-Fi. The U7 in-wall gives you top-tier performance without sacrificing your aesthetic. You get full coverage without a single eyesore. These solutions are perfect for a range of environments. In large homes, tech should be invisible but ever present, enhancing your experience without detracting from the design. In retail and hospitality, where ambiance is everything, you need tech that works hard but stays out of sight. Whether it's a chic showroom, a high-end restaurant, or a boutique hotel, visible tech can ruin the mood. That's why I love what Ubiquiti is doing here. They've figured out how to make tech do its job quietly while letting the design take center stage. And it's not just about hiding things, it's about rethinking how we use technology in our spaces. Ubiquiti's approach shows that you don't have to choose between performance and aesthetics. You can have both, and honestly, you should expect both. At the end of the day, technology should work for you and not against your vision. The tools are here: flush-mounted, paintable access points, minimalist cameras, all designed to disappear into your space while keeping you connected and secure. It's the kind of innovation that changes the game. And once you've seen it in action, you'll wonder why anyone ever settled for less.